kenapa saya duduk di tepi Lim Kit Siang, Presiden DAP, tetapi ada pula orang Cina yang kecam Lim Kit Siang. Kenapa dia duduk tepi saya? So either way we are going to be wrong. For the Chinese, Kit Siang has betrayed them. For the Malays, I have betrayed them. But actually we are not betraying anybody. We are for Malaysia. This is our country. And because it is our country and we love our country, we should make sure that this country is well governed. Tentukan negara kita ini diperintah dengan baik oleh kerajaan yang prihatin terhadap keperluan rakyat. Itulah parti kita. Sebab itu saya dan Parti Pribumi Bersatu sekarang ini menjadi rakan dalam Parti Coalition Pakatan Harapan. Together we are stronger. We are in the coming election. We are going to put up only one candidate to represent Pakatan Harapan. That candidate can be from DAP, he can be from Parti Bersatu Pribumi, he can be from Parti Keadilan, he can be from Parti Amanah. But all these candidates are candidates of Pakatan Harapan. So we all will support this candidate irrespective of which party he comes from. Kalau di Gelang Patah ini diletakkan seorang kandidat daripada kaum Cina, orang-orang Melayu, orang-orang India, orang-orang penyokong Parti Pribumi, Parti Keadilan, Parti Amanah akan sokong calon DAP sebagai calon Parti Pakatan Harapan. Demikian juga in another constituency, the candidate may be from Parti Keadilan. But even if it is from Parti Keadilan, we from the other three parties, DAP, Pribumi, and Amanah, will support that candidate. So by helping each other, we will win the election. It is important that we help each other and we make sure the candidate standing for Pakatan Harapan will win. Looking at the crowd tonight, I'm sure you come here because you want to support the DAP. But DAP is in Pakatan Harapan. So in a way, you are already supporting Pakatan Harapan. By itself, none of the opposition parties can win enough votes to form a government. By itself, you cannot. Neither the DAP, nor Keadilan, nor Amanah, nor Pribumi. Each one of them cannot be strong enough to win the election. But together, all these four parties together, working together, helping each other, voting for each other, we can obtains enough majority to form the government. For 60 years, the opposition has been the opposition. The opposition has never been able to win at the federal level. But now we are coming together. Together we will be able to work and win in the election. But it depends upon you to give support. If we have a DAP candidate here, you should support him. But if we have a Parti Keadilan candidate here, if that is the decision, we will also support. So we support Parti Pakatan Harapan. If we work together, we will form the next government of Malaysia. And when we form the next government of Malaysia, we will ensure that the rule of law is maintained, that this country reverts to becoming a democratic country, that there will be freedom, that the income tax department will not force people to pay taxes that they do not owe the government, that they will not harass. Our government will be business friendly. We will also be worker friendly. We want the people of this country to enjoy a good life in a country that is growing economically and being socially fair and law-abiding. That is the kind of country we want, and that is what you want. And we, all four of us, myself, Kit Siang, Wan A, Anwar Ibrahim, Wan Aziza, and Ahmad Sabu, and everybody else, we will work together for you, because we want you to enjoy a good life, to earn a good livelihood, and to contribute towards the greater development of this country. Tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, saya amat gembira karena pada malam ini saya dapat bercakap terus kepada warga negara kita ini di Kelapatan. Di sini majority terdiri daripada orang Cina, tetapi hanya orang Cina saja tidak boleh bentuk kerajaan. Di tempat lain kebanyakan daripada pengundi adalah Melayu, tetapi Melayu sahaja tidak boleh buat dirikan kerajaan. Our government will be a multiracial government to reflect the multiracial country that we are living in. We will share this country fairly together. We will ensure peace and stability, and we will provide you with a good government, not a kleptocratic government, not a prime minister who steals money, but we will have a prime minister who will work as our worker. He is indebted to us. When he becomes prime minister, he will have to work for us, not for himself. Today, the whole government party works only for Dato' Sri Najib, not for the nation. So I hope that when we have the next election, we don't know when, remember this, that this is a multiracial country, that no single race, neither Malay, nor Chinese, nor Indian, nor Iban, nor Kadaza, can rule this country by themselves. They must share in the governance of this country. And the best group of people of different races who can govern this country is Pakatan Harapan, the party that we are all in. So I want to wish you all the very best. Saya harap malam ini ramai akan keluarkan wang untuk bantu parti DAP dan tentukan parti DAP mempunyai kekuatan keuangan untuk menang pilihan raya, terutamanya di Kang Batah, di Johor, dan seterusnya di seluruh Malaysia. I thank you very much for listening to me, and I hope that you will have a good evening and you will be generous in helping DAP and Pakatan Harapan. Thank you very much.
Tepukan gemuruh selain ini kepada Tuan Dr. Mahathir. Sekali lagi tepukan gemuruh. Kami menyambut ulang tahun ke-51 DAP dan juga 4 tahun pertumbuhan pejabat ahli Parlimen Gelang Patah. Sekali lagi tepukan gemuruh kepada pemimpin-pemimpin Pakatan Harapan. Chuan Ming Tuan Jie, Jom Jiu Dama, jom selamatkan Malaysia bersama-sama dengan pemimpin-pemimpin Pakatan Harapan. Tun Dr. Mahathir Mohamad, sekali lagi tepukan gemuruh kepada beliau. Tun Dr. Siti Hasmah, Saudara Lim Kee Siang, Saudara Man Sabu, Saudara Lim Warning. Inilah detik-detik bersejarah di Gelang